Alright. Yo, what up, everyone? I should have used this hand because I got the watch on this one. It looks fucking weird when I do this. Anyways, we're gonna be doing, just read the title. I'm a Sac State computer engineering student, and I'm taking Math 12, just like the title says, somewhere down there, you guys. Um, CSUS, CSU Sacramento, or Sac State as we know it. I am taking Math 12, and then I'm gonna be taking the shit ton of maths and sciences and whatever for computer engineering. So I'm gonna recap what I have completed so far because I'm already a few weeks into the semester, right? So I'm just gonna go over some of this stuff, and then I'm gonna continue off of, just like the title says, homework number 6. I'm gonna complete that within this live stream, but let's get on with the little explanation of what I have been doing so far in just this one class this semester. So it is the spring 2026 semester at Sac State. Alright, and this is ALEKS right here. Alright. One moment, you guys. Just got to check. My mic is on. The desktop audio is off, okay, because I am listening to Pandora oldies, and I will get copyrighted. But you guys can see right here, I'm listening to my oldies radio. Let's skip this one. Otis Redding, whatever. Okay, let's refresh that. Nope. Okay, that's a good song. Anyways, Sac State. This is Canvas. So for those of you that are not in college or haven't been in college, a lot of colleges or universities, they use something called Canvas in order to be able to assign you homework, quizzes, etc., exams online if they want to do it that way, and or in person. Anyways, for this class, this is spring 2026 semester. I'm taking Algebra for STEM courses. California State University Department of Math. Bao Bao is my instructor. And, yeah. Anyways, so she has basically ALEKS integrated into this thing. Yeah, we had to purchase it, but just like in my other videos that I was doing, it's on my Gamer to Engineer playlist slash the ALEKS playlist on YouTube that I can also show you guys real quick. On my channel, you go to my either live or my playlists. Crap. Probably have too many tabs open while I'm streaming, so alright, let's go to playlists. Firefox is gonna be messing with me right now. Come on. Alright, so my playlist, let's see. Learning STEM Pre-Cal is the one I was doing. I have 6 videos up, so that's gonna be the next class. So this semester I'm taking Math 12. I was taking STEM Pre-Cal so I could either take the freaking whatever that thing is called. If I pass that ALEKS test, whatever that they have at Sac State, I could go into Math 29 or skip Math 29, or one of those two. But I'm deciding that I'm actually just gonna keep on doing the courses. So I'm gonna do Math 12, complete it, pass it, do Math 29, which is pre-cal, and then wait, it's Math 12. Damn it, what was the order? Math 12, Math 29, and Math 30 is calculus. Then 31, 32, whatever. Uh, these are all these maths that I have to do in order to check off that box and get the computer engineering degree, bachelor's degree. I also put them, and we'll be putting this live stream on this one right here, from gamer to engineer live streams. So I'm gonna make another playlist specifically for, let's see, for Math 12, algebra for STEM or STEM courses right there. So Math 12 algebra for STEM courses is gonna be like what the playlist is gonna be, and you guys can find it on my YouTube channel or Rumble channel. And if I'm live, you can see my videos on Kick and Twitch. Anyways, that's enough of that. Yeah, check out all my other videos. I do a bunch of different things. Read my description right here. I do unboxing reviews, gaming education, etc. Meaning whatever the hell I'm doing in life that I actually show you guys, it's gonna be on there. It's kind of like a little video logging or vlogging my life and accomplishments and stuff. It's my my library of fucking of me, basically. Anyways, for the modules here on Sex State, let's see, we are on week 4 already, and we have an exam on Friday, so I have to get this homework done, and then I'm gonna be studying. Alright, so for course material, Math 12, schedule, power, what, I don't know what that is. Okay. I do, but I don't want to get into it. Alright, so week 1 we did common sets and numbers. Alright, so just so you guys can view what kind of stuff we did. Alright, very simple math. Math 12 is, even though it says for STEM, it's like really basic fucking math. And they even dumb it down even more because you don't need to know all the math, just a specific math for engineering students. If you understand what I'm trying to say, you don't need to know the broad range of math. So math for STEM is actually more dumbed down, or more, not dumbed down, but more organized, more specific, so as to not waste your time. Let's see, week 1 homework. In this class, it's optional for the paper homework. So this will give me extra credit for the exam, although I'm not going to do it. I just want to take the exam. Whatever I get on it. If my grade ends up going down to a grade that I am not comfortable with, I'll start doing the homework for the next exam for extra credit. But yeah, so far my grade is 109% right now, so I'm good. Group work or group quizzes in class and stuff, it's pretty cool. Quizzes are done in class for this instructor. We take the quizzes. We have the option to take it with a group of maximum of 3 people. I think 3 or 4 actually, or by yourself. So if you want to hurry up, do the test, and then dip from the classroom, you can on quiz days. And then each quiz has like extra credit on the bottom, and that's why you see a 20 out of 15 here. And let's see what other quizzes. Other quizzes are gonna be having like that, like 5 extra points on it. Anyways, we've done for module 1 solving linear equation applications, linear for module 2 or homework 2, linear inequalities and unions and intersections. 3 was compound inequalities. 4 was absolute value equations and inequalities. 5 was finding linear equations applications, and what we're doing today is systems of linear equations and inequalities. That's like the homework. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. It says week 4. So this semester started January 26, 2026. And we're in what's the date? Today's the 16th. Almost a month from now. Anyways, let's close this real quick, and here's ALEKS. So if you guys are familiar with ALEKS or my other live streams, ALEKS is a program that they use in college and universities, depending on the instructor's choice. They can implement something like this, where you basically do some math, and then it'll calculate like what you need work on, and it'll like cater and customize your lessons for you. It'll like make you do stuff that you're weak on, and then if you know your shit, then you could skip those lessons, and it'll just give you the ones that you don't know. That's for like the beginning evaluation shit. So I did the evaluation shit. I got like 24 mastered or some shit. I don't know. I did good on it, so I skipped a little bit, and then I just kept doing the homeworks. That's what the homeworks actually increases your percentage right here for the learned. I don't know when it's gonna like test me, like just like give me one of those evaluations to make sure that I know what I'm doing. It's like a quiz within ALEKS, basically. So that 37 will get added onto the mastered, and it'll be like a total of 67 if I were to take that knowledge check quiz on ALEKS. Alright, so linear equations was this right here. I'm done with it. B, lines and functions, done with it. Exponents, polynomials is D right here. No, system and linear equations is C. Exponents and polynomials is here. E is rational expressions. F, haven't even started on it, radicals, quadratic equations, functions, function operations, and inverses, or exponential and logarithmic functions. Anyways, so where we go for our assignments is here. It's pretty obvious. Over here on the left, you go home for like the dashboard. It gives you like a whatever, like an overview. Let's see, ALEKS Pi, the timeline. You could review stuff. You could look at reports and gradebooks. You don't need all that. Initial knowledge check right here. Let's see, fractions practice. This one is not necessary. So it starts from here for this class. Extended to I've been doing the homework ahead of time, so I'm trying to continue that, trying to knock out as much homework as I can. It's starting to catch up to me because this is due, what is it, Monday? It's due Wednesday, so I'm trying to get it done now so that tomorrow I can start on exponent properties. Try to get it done tomorrow, and then start on A, and so on and so on. Because look, I can see all these homeworks are available, so like I could get all this shit done quickly. And let's see, we got a total of 24 homework assignments for the semester. And look here, the semester is going to be over around May 15th or some shit. Alright, that's enough of the review. I'm pretty sure you guys don't need me to go over a lot of the stuff. And if, I don't know, if you guys need to, again, you guys could purchase ALEKS your guys yourselves, or if you guys go to college, hopefully they implement something like ALEKS. And if not, then just don't waste your money on the program unless you want to. If you have the money for it, it's a good supplement. But um, I like it. But let us continue Math 6. All right. Alright, wasted about 20 minutes there, guys. This time just going over everything that has been done so far. Anyways, continue. Alright, so we're doing system of linear equations. On this lesson, it is solving a system of linear equations using substitution. All right. Let me actually see if you guys can see clearly. I don't know why this is not like showing my stream on my phone. I'm on restream. Let me go to Twitch and see if you guys could actually see. If not, I've been talking to myself this whole time. All right, we're good. All right, I zoomed it 200 plus. I zoomed into 200%. I mean, so you guys could hopefully see that shit over there. I pointed the wrong way. I guess that way points to the fucking screen. This is my right hand. Let me just see. Alright, so I have the camera inverted so that you guys could see me as if like in real life, okay? So this is my right side, my right hand. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Substitution to solve the system. So again, it's really basic math. This one is algebra for STEM or college algebra. Use substitution to solve the system. 3x plus 5y, alright, equals minus 4. So y equals 2x plus 5, x equals blank, y equals blank. Alright, so the second equation tells us that y and 2x plus 7 are equal. Y equals 2x plus 7. So we can substitute 2x plus 7 for y in the other equation. Alright, so we figured out what y equals. Y equals 2x plus 7. And it's saying to plug in this whole thing, 2x plus 7, into this first equation right here. 3x plus 5 parentheses 2x plus 7 equals negative 4. And that's what it's going to do right here. 3x plus 5 parentheses 2x plus 7. Alright, then we solve for x. Alright, then we do the whole solving shit. Excuse me. Distribute the 5 equals 10x. 5 times 7 is 35. Alright, 13x plus 35, combine like terms, these two. 13x plus 35. Subtract the 35 on both sides. So you have 13x equals negative 39. X is negative 3. And then finally, we substitute the x equals negative 3, because we just figured out what x is, in one of the original equations and solve for y. So once we have the y, we need to figure out, once we have the x, it depends on which order you guys choose to do it, but if, whatever, in this problem, we're doing it this way for reasons. Anyways, y equals 2x plus 7 is the one that grabs from here, right here. So you're going to plug it in for the x right here, because we just figured it out, right? And then we're going to solve for y. Y equals 2, parentheses negative 3, plus 7, negative, because we distribute, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, plus 7 equals 1, y equals 1. Now we have both answers, x equals negative 3 and y equals 1. Alright, this is how ALEKS teaches you. All right, they got learning pages before you actually get problems to solve. Oh, I'm listening to a good song right now. Ray Charles, I Got a Woman. Mm. All right. All right. Let me just set up my pen and eraser. All right, let's do this. So y equals 3x minus 14, and the other one, I'm just going to put it side by side. So, yeah, I'll put it side by side. 4x minus 3y equals 7. All right. So we have the y equals, right? So we're going to use that y equals, the first one right here, right? We're going to use this one. And we're going to plug it into that y right there. And then we're going to solve for x. And then we're going to use the x, plug it into the first one up here, and then plug in whatever the x equaled, right? Whatever x equals, plug it in to this one right here, and then solve for y. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do here on my tablet, right here. You guys can see my tablet. Alright. So we bring down this one over there. It's gonna be 4x minus 3 parentheses. We're gonna put this down here. 3x minus 14 in parentheses, right? Let me just erase it just to keep it clean. All right. Let's see. Equals 7. All right. Now we solve for x. First we distribute. So negative 3 times 3 is negative 9x. All right. Second one is 3 and 14. So let's see. 12, 3, 4, 42. No way. Is it 42? Yeah, I guess so. Now that's positive because two negatives multiplied together equals a positive. Alright, so it's 9x plus 42 equals 7, and then 4x over here. Now we combine these like terms, right? That's going to be negative 5x plus 42 equals 7. Now we're going to subtract 42 from both sides to get rid of 42. So it's going to be negative 5x left over on the left side. And let's see. That's going to be negative 35. Alright, now we're going to divide negative 5 from negative 35. So that's going to be positive. What is 5 times what equals 35, you guys? 7. So now we have the x. Alright, so I'm just going to put it in right now. 7. We need to figure out what the y is. So we need to plug in the x right here. 7 right here. And we'll find out what y equals. Alright. So we're going to bring this one over here. Y equals 3 parentheses 7 minus 14. Alright, so now Y equals, we distribute, was 3 times 7, you guys. Yes, you're right, 21. Minus 14 equals, y equals 7. So y and x both equal 7. Oh, wrong? I got that wrong? This, what did I do wrong? Oh yeah, you lose a good thing. Oh, it's not 42. I've messed up the whole thing. Mistakes. Alright. Alright, let's do this again. Alright. So 4, and then we put 3x minus 14. Let's see. I fucked up. 4x minus 14. No. 3y. So 3y is this in parentheses equals 7. Alright. 4x equals, alright, it's negative 9x. The 3 times that one I got wrong. Alright, so 14 times 3. 3, that's 12. 3, that is 42. So it's positive 42. Well, but what I fuck up on? Alright, let's see. Plus 42. Oh! Let me just continue it. I probably fucked up the symbol, like the negative. So it might be negative x for x. And if I get x wrong, y is wrong. Alright. So now we combine like terms. Negative 5x equals negative 35. No, I got that right. X equals 7. Then you plug in 7 here. That's 21 minus 14. Yeah, that should be 7. Alright. I messed up so badly, and I don't know where I fucked up on. Alright. $17. Oh! It was. I did not write it down correctly the first time. I left it at 7, not 17. Ah! But I did the math right. I just didn't write down this part correctly. Alright. I have an issue when I'm live streaming and doing the math. Like writing down the equation on the tablet when I look left and right while trying to talk to you guys. I gotta work on my multitasking skills, you guys. Alright. Hopefully I won't fuck this up. 2x minus 5y equals negative 30, and then x minus 2y equals negative 13. Alright, so we're gonna have to figure one of them out, right? Okay, so let's use the 2, the 5, the 31. So the top one is seclude y. So this one equals 2x. Oh wait, back. Next step would be negative 5y equals, we're moving the 2x over, so it's minus 2x minus 30. And then y is going to equal 2 over 5. Two negatives equals a positive, so that's going to be 2 over 5x. Let's see, plus divide 30. 30 by 5 is 7. Alright, so that is our y right here. Now we plug this in. Plug this one in to this one right here. So it's going to be x minus 2 parentheses 2 over 5x plus 7 equals negative 13. Alright? Try not to get confused with this stuff over here. Alright, okay, we're solving for x on this one right here. Okay. Alright, let's distribute. Minus, so we're multiplying that, it's like 2 over 1. Alright, so 4 over 5 x plus 14 equals negative 13. Alright, so we combine like terms. That's like x over 1. We need the denominators to be the same, so we're gonna multiply the x by 5. So it's gonna be 5x over 1 minus 4 over 5x. So we could remove the x's here. Alright, and then we get, actually this one is 5 down here. Alright, so we're gonna get 1 over 5. 1 over 5x. So we're gonna have for these combined like terms. So 1 over 5x plus 14 equals negative 13. Alright. Hopefully I'm not losing you guys. Now, in order for x to be by itself, we're gonna leave the 1/5 x over here on the left side, and we're gonna subtract the 14 on both sides, so that will equal negative 27. Now, in order to get rid of the 1/5, we have to multiply the reciprocal, so x equals minus 27 over 1 times 5 over 1, which is the same as 27 times 5. So let's go back, make it simpler. Alright, negative 27 times 5 equals negative, let's see, 5 times 2, 10, 13, negative 135. Am I doing this right? So if x is negative 135, let's see if I'm doing it right. Now we're gonna go to these original original equations right here. Alright, and then we're gonna use a second one and plug in x for that one. Let's go back. So we're using actually this one and this one because we can't use that one. So we use this one. Alright. We got y and then we put it into this one. Okay. So now we have to use this one right here. This one right here. And then plug in the x that we found. So y equals 2 over 5 times negative 135. Alright. Forgot the negative on here. Alright. So that plus 7. Alright. So now we have x, or the x value that we found in the equation. So we have to multiply these two. Now we could, 5 goes into 135. 135 divided by 5 equals, solve, 27. Alright, so 27 over 1 is 27. So y equals 27 plus 7. So y equals 30, 33, 34. Alright. Let's see if we got it right. Holy shit, I am not getting it right. Let's see where I fucked up on. This craziness. They use the bottom one, right?
Although I was reluctant to dissuade Her Highness from her folly, remember this. The mess you make is ultimately my responsibility.
We see that x and negative 13 plus 2y are equal.
That is the only warning I shall receive. Yes, sir.
You don't hold a favorable opinion of Sling either, do you, Adelso? It's not my place. When you really think about it, you're actually descendants from the very emigrants who came from that blue planet. So there's no reason we should have such hatred for them.
Wait, did we already have...
But when Emperor Verse inherited the authority...
We isolate the x in the second equation. Did we do this one? X equals negative 13.
left behind on Earth, and as the living embodiment of the power of the gods, milady. Those things should not be said.
No, we used the y.
Was to reestablish friendly relations with our
We secluded y instead of x.
regardless of circumstances that should cause such strife and separation. I have committed
Isolate the x in the second equation. Or I chose to isolate the y. I did it a, a different way, a difficult way. And that's why I got it wrong. So we can substitute negative 13 plus 2y for x. Negative 30, then we solve for y. 4. So y equals 4, and then plug 4 in for this one. So negative 5 and 4. Yep. Alright. I'm fucking up here. Big time. Bad decisions. Okay. This is still the first lesson, you guys. I need 9 lessons in order to get to the homework completed.
Don't say such things.
Oh, was that a bit too far? Well, we orbital knights have dwelt in our castles for 15 years.
Alright.
Since the time of our fathers.
Substitute to solve the equation. We have the y already secluded, so that one's done for us. So try this problem again. Or this new problem. 3x minus 5y equals negative 18. And then 2x plus 5 equals 1. So we have the y. We're going to plug in the y for that one. It's 3x minus 5, 2x plus 5 equals negative 18. Let me erase this because it looks like a 7 or negative 7. Alright, so 3x minus 10x minus 25 equals negative 18. Combine the like terms, so negative 7x minus 25 equals negative 18. Negative 7x, add 25 on both sides. So now that's going to be 2 plus 5 is 7. Positive 7, x equals negative 1. Alright. X equals negative 1. That's the first one. Negative 1. And then we plug in that one for the second equation. For this one up here. Right? Or actually for the second. Yeah, let's do it for the second. So 2 negative 1 plus 5 equals 1. Alright. Because the y is already secluded, so it's easier, right? Negative 2 plus 5 equals y. Y equals 3. Alright. Got a good feeling about this one. 3. Check. Excellent. There we go. One more question and we can skip this lesson. If I get this one wrong, that means it's going to go back down. More questions that I have to do. Alright. The y is already secluded right here, so this one's going to be more manageable. What you watching? Anime? Which one?
The new one.
Okay. Crunchyroll or High Dive?
Crunchyroll.
Alright, sweet. Alright, let's see. Y equals 2x plus 13. 3x minus 5y equals negative 30. Alright, so let's see. 3x minus 5, plug in 2x plus 13 down here, equals negative 30. 3x, leave it by itself, negative 10x. Is this the same fucking... Hold up. Y equals 2x plus 13. Alright. 3x minus 5y equals negative 30. Okay.
Are we to blame for not stopping the princess from going to Earth?
Oh, okay. So 13 is different. Alright, so
It's come to this.
13.
To show our grief. Landing castle, descend.
13 times
Japan.
negative 5 equals 65. Alright.
Of the 37 landing castles which are in orbit,
Combine like terms. Negative 7x
projected landing points are coming in.
minus 65 equals negative 30. We're gonna add 65 on the other side. 7x equals 35. Negative, actually, we're moving the negative 7. We're dividing the 35 by negative 7 equals negative 5. So we have the first one, x equals negative 5.
King of the Hill. Their rivals are the fellow Mars Knights. They were never concerned about counterattacks from the surface.
Alright,
That's true. They would go as far as breaking the
now we go
seawall.
back up here
Fire,
and then use this one.
15 years.
Y equals 2 in parentheses negative 5
A war. To live and
plus
entertain.
13. Y equals negative 10 plus 13. Y equals 3. Alright. Alright, 1 out of 9 fucking lessons completed. You are 7 topics away from reaching your module goal. Why does this say 7? Oh, maybe the evaluation gave me 1 point or 1 lesson. The initial evaluation helped me skip. I didn't even realize. 1 out of 9 topic. Oh, or else it would have said 0 out of 9. Duh. Alright. 2 out of 9 completed. So we gotta... That's just loud as fuck, but... hopefully it doesn't bother you guys. Solve the following system of equations. Alright. So we have this and this. We have a system of 2 linear equations in 2 variables. One way to solve such a system is to eliminate one of the variables.
There's so many of them. Can you remember to make a wish? Yes. I wish that people all over the world could just get along and be happy.
I thought he was watching Attack on Titan or something, but no. Is it good? Alright, what's it called?
I'll Noah 0.
Ald Noah 0.0. Alright.
Look, Brian.
The enemy's strategy is extremely simple. They will use the shockwave.
Oh, it's about space? No. Never mind. I gotta do the homework, Daniel. Don't distract me.
But for the past 15 years, we have been making plans to defend against it.
Hold on, let me see how much I've been streaming.
Annihilate the enemy before they can deploy
Did someone just follow me? Yanin1 subscribe to the channel. Thanks for subscribing.
Dave's like, I gotta go.
They're gonna subscribe to me just to watch the anime in the background, but not the math. That's funny. I think that was on Twitch, right? Yeah, that was on Twitch. All right. It might have been on Twitch or Kick. Anyways, let's get back to work. All right. Solve the following system of equations. We have a system of two linear equations, two variables. One way to solve the system is to eliminate one of the variables. In our problem, we'll eliminate the variable x. So we'll try to make an equivalent system of coefficients for x that differ only in sign. We'll multiply the first equation by 4 and the second by 7. We'll multiply this one by 4, this one by 7. Why? Because of the coefficients of the variable? We'll try to make an equivalent system with coefficients for x that differ only in sign. Okay. So whatever's in front of the x, but why not negative 7? They're multiplying that here and here. 7 and 7 down here. But why? This gives you an equivalent system with coefficients for x that differ only in sign. Okay. So negative 20x, negative 8y, and then 76. Okay. The math is mathing. 7 times 4x equals 28x. 7 times 9 is 63y. Okay. And then 7 negative 21. Okay, so once we get here, I know how to do this, but why? Then we add these equations and get an equation in the single variable y. So we're gonna add both of these and combine like terms basically, or what? So this zeroes out, so there's no more x. There's only 55y equals 55y equals what? 55y equals 55, which equals 1. Y equals 1. Okay. To find x, we can plug 1 into the negative 7x. So back to the original one. Negative x minus 2y equals 19. Negative 7x minus 2y equals 19. So yeah, the original one. The first equation of the original system. Okay. We solve this equation for x and we get the following. X is negative 3. Alright, so... Okay, negative 3, negative x. Wait. X is negative 3, but why? Why is that? Oh, because you add 3 on the other side, that's 21. 23 divided by negative 7. 21 divided by negative 7 is negative 3. Right? I don't know. What the fuck am I even saying right now? I'm trying not to get distracted. I want to watch anime so bad. To find x, we plug in y equals 1 to here. And you get this down here. So the negative 3, we add that, that's positive 21. X is negative 3. Okay, it makes sense. X equals negative 3, y equals 1. Alright. Alright, let's see if I can do it. See, this is why I'm just gonna take all the math concurrently after another. So after I pass math 12, the next step is math 12. Math 29 comes after math 12, right?
I think so.
He thinks so. We don't know. We could look at it right now too. I'm on the internet right now. Uh, CSUS math. Uh, math 12.
Present the area's leader and ask for
12.
CJ
There we
to
go.
confirm your debt to Highness.
Happening right now.
All right, algebra for STEM, right here, math 12.
Under attack by the Imperial forces.
Next is
Communications breakdown.
math 29 pre-cal. Says you need to score 61 or higher on ALEKS PPL exam or math 12. Yeah, so after math 12 it's pre-calculus, and then I have to take uh calculus, which is 30, calculus 1, and then I need calculus 2. So math 30 and calculus 2, and then the last math that I have to take is differential equations, which is this one right here. Differential equations for science and engineering, math 45. And then I'm done with the math. Book. Alright, so that math 12, math 29, 30, 31, and 45. I got 5 of them I gotta do concurrently. I'm gonna try to take math during the fall. Not during the fall, during the summer. Let's see, math during the summer. Typically offered fall, spring, and summer. Yeah, looks. I'm gonna try to get it done during the summer. All right, there we go. Questions answered. All right. Solve the equation. 9x minus 5y equals to negative 16, and then the bottom negative 5x plus 3y equals 8. So I think the coefficients 5 and 9 is what we're gonna use. So multiply this by 5 and this by 5, right? Hopefully that's what I'm gonna have to do. And then we multiply this by 9 and this by 9.
Yes, thank you for your courtesy. I mean, no disrespect, of course, but while I have you like this,
So
why are you evacuating?
this gets converted to, alright, 5 times 9 is 45. X, 5 times 5 is 25. That's negative 25. Y equals big number. 6 times 5 is 30. Alright, so 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 60. 60. What? Hell no. That is not right. It is? 60, 70, 80. Oh shit. Alright, so 0 and that 3 goes up here. Goddamn fucking eraser. Alright, 3. So 5 times 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 80. Alright. Fucking losing my mind over here. Alright,
The order came from my lord Pruteo.
the fuck is this thing over here?
So glad you were here. I think
Okay.
the car chose to run out of gas today.
Then I think you owe me one, Doctor.
Well, that goes for you too, Inaho. Hey, slacking off again over there, Uncle Joe? Yeah, but still.
Alright.
In Russian?
Negative 4. Oh, I see what's happening. So I am doing it right. Because I could already see this shit being knocked out. Alright. 9 times 3. 27, right? 218. Yeah, I need coffee or some shit. 27. Y. Huh? Wait, what?
What are you guys doing here?
Oh, yeah, okay, 20. I thought these were gonna cancel out. I was thinking they were both 25. See? I'm falling asleep over here. I should have probably drank this coffee before doing this stream. Soda's not enough. I need caffeine. Alright. And then we add them together. So that is 2 y equals 80. Y equals 40. So we got the first one. Jesus Christ. Finally. Love is a burning thing. A fiery ring. I'm listening to Johnny Cash right now. If you guys don't know Ring of Fire, search it up on YouTube right now. Plug in 40 for X. Minus 5y equals negative 16. For the original one that we're using is this one. Alright, so 9 times 40. So let's see, 9 times 4. 30. No, wait. Fuck, I'm having a brain fart. 36, right?
Just like 15 years ago. They like that shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you were actually there. You fraud.
36, right? Yeah. Okay, 36 minus 5y equals negative 16. Alright, so negative 5y equals, we're going to subtract that, so it's going to be am I doing this right? Add, no, we're subtracting 360 from negative 16. So it's going to be negative 76. Hold on a freaking minute. I am doing this wrong already. Yes, I am. I am doing it wrong. It's y equals 40, not x equals 40. So this one's wrong. Alright, 9x. We're replacing the y, not the x. Okay. Alright. Minus 5 parentheses 40. Alright. Now let's do this again. 5 times 4 is 20. So first let's put the 0 there, then it's 20. 200 equals negative 16. 9x is equal to negative 216. No, positive. That is wrong. Because we're adding 200 to the other side. So it's minus 16. Alright. I can't do math right now. 184 divided by 9 equals
But we really mustn't have you squeaking at an inopportune moment in the future, you see. What have we here? Look at that beautiful beautiful little baby rat. You can't escape me.
Enemy counterfract spotted! Bastard!
Alright, so there's gonna be a fraction. So I'm gonna just leave that.
Laser comms over. Firing.
Is it really 184 over 9?
To attack. Fire. Stop firing. You gotta rescue that civilian. Our fire's not getting through.
Secure the survivor. I'll cover you.
Oh my god. Let's check. Wrong. Alright, I'm fucking up. What did I do wrong?
They cannot be scared.
So the 5, 5, 9, and 9. Did I multiply the 9? Did I fuck that up? I fucked that up, didn't I? Oh my god, I fucked that up. 9 times 8 is 72, not 80. That's where I fucked up on. Oh! I see my mistake. You see this right here? This over here, I put 80. So once I got 80 right here, I put it down here. Instead of doing 8 times 9 equals 72, this number was supposed to be here. Fuck!
Meddlers dealt with. Now back to my little rodent extermination.
Human error is a bitch, man.
Die with valor or die with cowardice. You think you're making some noble choice?
Okay. I was on the right track then. Yeah. And it was negative 80. Negative 80 over here. So not only did I forget the negative sign, I forgot to... Oh my god. I really fucked up. Slow it down. Alright, I've been streaming for an hour and 10 minutes. And I'm barely on like the second lesson and I'm fucking up badly. Once we hit 2 hours, I'm done streaming, and I'm gonna take a break and then I'll continue it. Okay, just keep going. Just keep going. Equals 20.
No more trouble out of you, little rat.
And 3x plus 7y. 16. Alright. So we're gonna multiply 3 up here on both sides. Alright, and then we're gonna multiply 8 over here on both sides. Okay. Now, move this over to the right. 8 times 3, or negative 8 times 3 is negative 8 times 3 is 24. 24x. Alright. Positive and negative is a negative. 3 times 3 is 9. 9y equals, with 20 times 3, 60. Alright. Alright. 8 times 3, 24. X. These get knocked out. Alright. 8 times 7, 56. 56y equals, I got it, you guys. I got it this time. 56y equals What is 16 times 8?
Okay, scared.
1.28. Alright. Now we do this. Negative 9y plus 56y equals. Why did it say 473?
Where's Uncle Joe?
Nope. See, it thinks it's 94. What the fuck? 3 minus 94 plus 564. Where the fuck is it getting that? Oh, whatever. It's gonna be positive 47. 47y equals, and then we add. Alright. Is there a negative on top? No negative?
Live ammunition we can use. Are you serious? Let's fight it. Yuki and the others have tried. Now it's our turn to. Let's fight this Martian.
I guess not. Alright, so 188. No fucking way. I'm fucking up somewhere. What is 188 divided by 47? Four? It goes into it evenly? Okay. Okay, so y. So y equals 4, you guys. Yeah, I don't know those multiplication tables by heart. Alright. Once it gets to like 12 times 4, or 13 times 4, maybe 15 times 4, I start forgetting. 47 times 4? No, I don't know that far. Now we're going to plug in the y equals 4 for, let's do this original one right here. Negative 8. Oh no. Negative 8x minus 3 parentheses fucking 4 equals 20. Alright. Now, negative 12 equals 20. Negative 8x equals 32. X equals negative 4? Positive and negative 4? Alright. Yeah! I got it right. Alright, one more and we get to move on to a different lesson. I just gotta be careful because I don't want to have to fucking do an extra problem. So I gotta take my time. Try not to make any human errors. Try. All right, next. Seven x plus 8y equals 16 negative 5x minus 4y equals negative 20. Alright, so up here, we'll multiply that by 5, this by 5, this by 5, oh, no, this by 7, and then this by 7, right? Yep. Alright, so 5 times 7 is 35. X plus 8 times 5 is 40. Y equals 16 times 5. That is 80. Yeah. From the last problem. Alright. Now, that's going to be a negative. 5 times 7 is 35. Alright, so these already get knocked out. Okay. No! What'd I do? What happened? See, this is why I wear the fucking gloves for palm rejection and shit, but I think I like held my pinky somewhere. All right, where was I? The negative 7, because I have to distribute, right? Negative 7 and 4, so that's going to be a negative for sure. 7 times 4 is 28. 28y equals, what is 7 times 2 is 14. Alright, I know it's going to be negative, so 14, and then just add the 0. Alright, now we have to add these together, right? So that's going to be the same as subtracting. Okay, 40 minus 28, so that's 2, 12, 12y. 12y is equal to negative, okay, 20 plus 40 is 60, negative 60. Y equals, I'm pretty sure that's 5? No, can't be 5. Is it 5? 5 times 2 is 10. 1, 0. 5 times, okay, it is 5. Alright. And then we're going to use this one right here. 7x plus 8 parentheses 5 equals 16. Stop right there. 7x plus 8 times 5 is 40 equals 16. Set. Fucking eraser. Fucking Apple Pen, man. 7x equals... Alright, we're subtracting. So that's going to be 40 minus 16 is 24. Alright, so x equals... What? I don't want to fucking do another question, so I need to make sure. Let's try it out. I'm gonna be so pissed off. 24 over 7 but then it's negative. Oh my god! Son of a bitch! Where'd I fuck up on? X equals 8? What? Alright. I did all of it wrong, I think. What? Why not do it on both sides? It says we have a system of two linear equations and two variables. One way to solve such a system is to eliminate one of the variables. In our problem, we'll eliminate the variable y. So we'll try to make an equivalent system with coefficients for y. So we're not doing coefficients for x anymore. Why is it all of a sudden just switching the variable that we're trying to find coefficients for? That differ only in sign. We'll multiply the second equation by 2. Why? Is it because you could visually see like 4 times 2 is 8, so we could quickly get the opposite of 8y and knock out the y's. So see, Alex forces you to learn shit on your own. Jesus. Okay, so there's a new rule that I have to memorize. Fuck. Starting from 0. Okay. And then that equals negative 8y. It knocks out the y's. Alright. Then you add that. Negative 3x equals negative 24. So x equals 8. To find y, we plug in 8 for x in 7x plus y, which is the first equation right here of the original system. 7 times 8, 56, plus 8y equals 16. We solve this equation for y and get the following. Y equals negative 5. Yeah, I wasn't even close. So let's see. 8 times 7, 56, plus 8y equals 16. So that's going to be negative 40 on this side. And then divide negative 40 by 8. Yeah, okay. Oh! So time consuming. Okay, I guess there's going to be a part 2. Because I'm already planning to take a break. I'm already thinking I need a break. Yep. Or should I keep going? Should I keep going? I don't know. For these type of live streams, I want to cap it out at 2 hours. And then take a break and then come back and do like part 2. Okay. 7x plus 3y equals negative 21. 3x plus 7y equals negative 9. Alright. They're both positives. I need one of them to be in negative. Oh, maybe the rule is if it's like a plus 3y. Let's because right now it's plus 3y, and then below the 3y is a plus 7y. I think that rule might have to do with, like, I can't do the same thing it told me to do on the last problem. I think is because the plus there's like plus and plus. But the 7x and the 3x is also plus. So there has to be a negative explanation. Fuck it. I'm not gonna guess. We have a system of two linear equations and two variables. One way to solve such a system is to eliminate one of the variables. In our problem, we'll eliminate the variable x. So we'll try to make an equivalent system with coefficients for x that differ only in sign. We'll multiply the first equation by 3 and the bottom by negative 7. Okay, so you have to get rid of 1. Okay. So multiply the top by positive 3 and the bottom by negative 7. Alright. So that something cancels out. Y equals 0. X is negative 3. Alright. Alright. Negative 2x plus 5y equals negative 13. 5x minus 8y 19. Okay. Alright, so good. There's a negative and a positive on both sides. Okay. So they're all okay. I'm not seeing a pattern like any of the rules for the other problems, so I'm just gonna do it simply like this. Multiply the top by 5 on both sides, and multiply the bottom by 2 on both sides. So that's negative 10x plus fucking 25y equals negative 85, right? $65. Okay. So that's 10x, and then these get knocked out. Alright, 2 times negative 8 is negative 16y equals, what is 2 times 19? That is 38. That's a positive. Okay, so now we add both sides. So this will be positive fucking 9y equals negative 27. Y equals negative 3.
Come on, babe. Alright, stay. Hey, shh.
Oh, now it's not doing math automatically. 18. Yep, I'm right. Y equals -3. Okay, x. We have to solve for x. Let's use the first one. Oh shit! What time is it? 5:03. Yeah. I know. My doggo is crying because my brother took his dog, the German Shepherd, to go poo on the walkies, and she's crying right by the door because she wants to go on the walkies. Come, come, come here, come here, come, Kai. She's so pretty. Kai is such a crybaby too. Did they go on the walkies without you? Huh? Huh? Oh no! She gave me kisses. Oh my god. Let me go wash. I'll be back. All right. Yeah. Wait one moment. I'll take you out to go take a dump in a little bit, okay? Wait until they come back because she has FOMO. All right, fear of missing out. She doesn't cry when they come back. When my brother and his dog is back, she starts to chill. Excuse me. She starts to chill out and not cry so much. But right now she's throwing a fit. I wanna go too. I'm doing homework right now, okay? I'll take you in a bit. Alright? Or ask my brother to walk her after he gets back. Alright, where do I leave off? -2x plus 5 parentheses -3 equals -13. -2x plus, actually that's a negative, -15 equals -13. So -2x is gonna equal 2x equals -1. Yeah. All right. Let me get this one lesson done, and then I'll stop streaming and I'll go take you. Okay. All right, girly. Good girl, Kai. Her name is Kai. K-A-E. No, K-A-I. Like Kai. Like Budokai. Like. Okay, whatever. Be a good girl and wait, okay? She is so fucking adorable. And look at her fucking smile when she looks at you with those fucking eyes, those blue eyes. It's like blue and white. It's like when the sun hits them, they're, oh my god. in the fluffy white coat. You're fucking adorable, you know that? Here. Go get the bone. She just wants to play. Oh, okay. Turn around, Kai. You're showing her, showing everyone her butthole. Good girl. Sit down. That was rude of her. You're such a crybaby. 8x minus 3y equals 8 minus 4x minus 5y equals negative 4. Now I'm seeing that 8 and negative 4. So what I'm going to do is multiply the bottom by 2. Okay. On both sides. And then top, I'll leave it alone. So then this is going to be negative. First off, let me just bring it over. Ax minus 3y equals 8. Alright. It's going to be 8 negative 8x. So this gets knocked out. Alright, what is 2 times negative 5? There's negative 10y equals what is negative 4 times 2. That is negative 8. Alright, so 0 equals, because these we add, so, and we add top and bottom, so negative 13y equals 0. Y is equal to 0. Anything? Okay. So if y equals 0, we're going to get this one, 8x 3 0 equals 8. She's so cute when she cries too. She's over by the door like and smiling. I know, I know, I know. Come. FOMO, I swear. Alright. 8x equals 8. X equals 1. Alright. Let's see if I got this right. And it's funny too because I'm listening to In the Jungle, the Mighty Jungle. Yes! Yes! I got it right! I got it right! Oh, that's a good girl. Yes, she is. Alright, I'll take you right now. Alright, let's see. You are 6 topics away from reaching your module goal. So, I know we did only 2 lessons, or topics, right? Topics in this lesson. We got 6 more left, so I could do 3 more later on tonight. Or I'll do the rest of the 6 tonight. And if not, tomorrow I'll do another 3. This is due by fucking Wednesday, so I got today, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So it's due like shit. Is that in the afternoon? Let me check. Right here. Yeah, so I'm taking Intro to Logic Design, Computer Logic and Design, I'm taking Math 12 Algebra for STEM, and I'm also taking Physics 10, which is the conceptual concepts of physics. Physics in our world. Physics in our world is, yeah, conceptual or whatever theory. Fundamentals. I don't know. So let's see. Let's see. Actually, I could go to the to-dos. ALEKS modules 1, 2, 3. No, that's old. The 6, it's due Wednesday at before midnight. Okay, so I have plenty of time. All right. Not gonna stress out. Okay. All right, you guys. That's gonna be it. Look at how cute she is. Look at that. She's playing with her bone. Anyways, that's gonna be it. You guys. I'll be on later on tonight. Um, trying to knock this homework out as quickly as possible, but I got responsibilities. And also I keep on messing up like simple mistakes or like really stupid ass mistakes. That's the only reason why it takes so long. Plus 20 minutes of explaining of how I got to where I am on this math class. And anyways, uh, follow, subscribe, likes, and comments down below. So again, it's gonna be on its own playlist. It's gonna be on the From Gamer to Engineer playlist, and I will continue doing my best to I'll live stream the homeworks that I do, like complete the homework, and then hopefully we'll learn math together, right? We'll learn some shit. If not, hopefully entertain you, and if I am boring, hopefully help you guys go to sleep. So just play in the background and you guys go to sleep. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.